Hi friends, welcome to our channel Jayadithya Math Tutorial. We are doing a series of 10th class mathematics. As a part of this, we are now in the chapter similar triangles. Already we have completed the chapter similar triangles, but why I am telling again, we are in the topic similar triangles, in the sense we are going to solve some leftover problems related to similar triangles concept. The one is in trigonometry and the other one is in mensuration. So I am going to explain those two examples are important problems. Okay, so let us see here. So let us understand the question which is related to similar triangles from the chapter trigonometry. So do watch till the end. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like my class, please do like and share with your friends. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you hit the bell icon, you will get the notification once the video is uploaded right now. So without wasting any time, let us enter into our class. So what is the question? Let us see here. If angle A and angle P are acute, and he is telling that cos A is equals to cos P, cos A is equals to cos P, then what we need to show now? Show that angle A is equals to angle P, then show that angle A is equals to angle P. Actually this is very simple problem. So how to solve this one? So A and P are acute angles. He is telling that cos A is equals to cos P. So let us try to take two different triangles and let us try to show them they are similar. Then let us try to solve the remaining part. Okay, so let us take the triangles. So trigonometry is based on completely what triangles? Right angle triangles. So here I am taking two triangles here. So I am taking the first one as A, B, C, the other one as P, Q, R. He is telling that A and P are acute angles. So I am taking A and P are acute. You should not take A in place of right angle here. So you know that here you have 90 degrees. Clear? Here you will be having 90 degrees. So what is the information he has given? First one. So the first one is cos A is equals to cos P. He has given cos A is equals to how much? Cos P. So what is actually cos A? What will be cos A actually? Cos A is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. So what will be the adjacent side for A here? Adjacent will be AB and hypotenuse will be AC. So this is adjacent and this will be hypotenuse. In the same way in the other triangle also. So what is adjacent side? That is AB by hypotenuse is nothing but AC. Okay, and in the other triangle cos P. Cos P means here it will be adjacent and this will be hypotenuse. So adjacent side is PQ by hypotenuse is nothing but PR. Clear? So let us take this as equation 1, or let us try to equate these two ratios to some constant value K, and let us take this as equation 1. Okay, so see here, before that what you need to do is, see here now, actually here we need to take one more ratio, and how to identify that ratio is very important. So in textbooks you have direct proofs only, but there is no explanation given there, and most of the students are not understanding that step. For that reason I am explaining this concept here. So what I am doing here, you observe now, in these two ratios just I am taking the cross multiplication like that. So I am just interchanging the denominator and numerator of two ratios. So what happens here, you see here, this will be like AB by PQ, which is equals to, this will be like AC by PR. AC by PR. I want BC by QR now. BC by QR. Right. So listen carefully. So from by Pythagoras theorem, what will be BC nana? So see here, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, AC square will be equals to AB square plus BC square. But what I want here, I want BC. So for that reason, what can I do here? So BC square must be equals to AC square minus AB square or not. And from this I will be having BC is equals to root over AC square minus AB square. Clear? So BC is equals to how much? That is AC square minus AB square, and also QR also same now. QR will be equals to PR square minus PQ square. This is PR square minus PQ square under root. Clear? By using Pythagoras theorem, by using same as this, by using Pythagoras theorem you will get this one. But see here now, from this given equation, if you equate these two, AB by AC is equals to K. So what happens to AB now? That is K into AC. AB will become K into AC. And what happens to PQ here? K into PR. PQ will be equals to K into PR here. So substitute them there. So that is BC by QR is equals to root over AC square minus KAC whole square. Why? Because AB is equals to KAC by root over PR square minus PQ in the sense that is KPR. So right here KPR whole square. So this is like BC by QR is equals to, if you take AC square common, so if you take AC square common, you will be remain with 1 minus K square, and this is under root, and here also you PR square. If you take PR square common, you will be left with 1 minus K square none. If you take PR square common, you will be left with 1 minus K square. So what happens here, that is BC by QR is equals to, take AC outside, so that will be AC, and bring PR outside, so that will be PR, and you will be left with root over 1 minus K square under root over 1 minus K square under root. So you can cancel this one now. Okay, if you cancel this, what happens here? So BC by QR will be equals to how much? That is AC by PR. BC by QR is equals to how much? AC by PR. Already you have one more concept. So AC by PR is again equals to AB by PQ. Right now, AC by PR is again equals to AB by PQ. So you can write here. So this is BC by QR is equals to AC by PR is equals to how much? That is AB by PQ. So if you observe, so all the corresponding sides ratios are equal here. So what can you write here? Therefore, the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR now. Okay, the corresponding ratios of all the three sides are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC will be similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, what happens? Angle A will be equals to angle P. Angle A will be equals to angle P. That is nothing but corresponding parts of similar triangles. So this is your proof. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. If you have any doubts, you do comment in the comment section. In our next class, we are going to solve the problem related to similar triangles from the chapter mensuration. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you like my class, please do like and share with your friends. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you hit the bell icon, you'll get the notification once the video is uploaded. Let us meet in our next class. Till then, bye.